Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today is another battle of the foundation and I'm trying the Kokie Skin Effects HD foundation. So if you want to see my thoughts on it, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please just take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below and then the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So again, if you want to see my thoughts on this foundation, just keep watching. Alright guys, today we are trying out the Kokie Skin Perfect HD foundation. Now I was able to pick mine up at Rite Aid the other day. I don't know if this is a new product to Rite Aid or if my Rite Aid store just happened to finally start selling it. But they had a huge display of all their products. I'm going to be doing a video right after this where I'm going to be doing my full face using Kokie products, but that was something that I actually showed on Tuesday, so if you missed that video, I'll leave a card up here for that. But today we're going to be talking just about the foundation. Now, as always, I've gone in and I have put on my serums, my moisturizers, my sunscreen, and I've done my under eye color correcting, and I've also primed, but this time I used the Kokie Smooth Glow Hydrating Foundation Primer. I'll tell you, this went on really, really well. I'll insert a little clip here of me putting it on. It's got a beautiful scent to it. It's very faint, but it goes on so smooth. And I really do feel like my skin's very hydrated. It's not tacky or anything like that, but I really like it so far, so we'll see how this performs with the foundation. So again, I will use my sponge on one side of my face and my flat top Kokie brush on the other. Always try to keep everything the same when I am testing out a foundation. You get 1 fluid ounce of this, and if I didn't say it, it came in 18 shades. So it does have a pump, which I did go ahead and test out to see if it was a good color match for me, which it is. You can say it's pretty warmy. So I think what I'll do now is just dip my sponge right in it since it's running all down my fingers. Again, I want to keep in mind this is supposed to be a medium coverage foundation. Okay, let's just do this because it ran right in between my fingers. This doesn't have the scent to it at all. Doesn't feel like I'm even putting anything on, to be honest with you. Very lightweight feel. And definitely I can see that this is indeed a medium. It's a low medium coverage at that. So let's go ahead and try this brush on this side. On this side, I won't let it run down my fingers. Whoa. Be really careful. This one is super runny and it's kind of can easily get on your clothing. Wash my hands real quick. This is running right there. Let's look see here. It's looking very nice with my pores. It's pretty close as far as the coverage goes between the sponge and the brush. I think I like the brush side just a little bit better. It's definitely not covering everything. So I am going to see how testable this is. Is that a word? I'm doing that lately. Looking at my own words. So I'm just going to go into the areas that I need a little bit more coverage. Alright, now let's take a look. It's actually really pretty. I think I was pretty spot on with the color. I'm going to let this dry down for just a little bit and see how much it dries down, so I'll be right back. I will tell you also, I noticed that Kokie had a whole bunch of brushes, both eye brushes and face brushes. I didn't pick up any of those. just decided to use my own for this too. So anyway, it dried down beautifully. This is completely dry, maybe a little bit tacky in just a couple of spots, but I think that's because it's such a hot day and I've got the hot lights going here. But I have no doubt this one would dry down really well. But as always, I always go in and powder. So let me finish up my makeup. I'm going to take some quick photos of this close up for you, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and this is the finished look with all of my makeup on, and I am in love with this foundation. I can't believe how good it looks. I did this entire face of Kokie product, so if you missed my video back on Tuesday, I will have a card up here for you to go watch that, because I think everything turned out just flawless. My skin looks so good considering this is a medium coverage foundation. I just feel like I glow today. I really do. I love this look. I'm going to take a lot of photos of myself because I think it looks just so good. I liked it before I went in and put the concealer and the powder on. It was okay, but now I love it. Just now that it's had a chance to just kind of soak in and meld into my skin, it just looks really good. It dried down so well. It doesn't look or feel cakey in any way. It just doesn't feel like I have anything on my face at all. So this is one I highly, highly recommend. Again, it comes in 18 shades, so that's pretty darn good for a drugstore foundation to have that wide of a range in colors. So I suggest go get it. It's one I think you'll like. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure that you do that. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the little bell notification next to it. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, anything like that, please leave those down below. I love hearing from you guys. So until next time, I love y'all, and bye-bye.